I'm Kathleen Robbins, head baker from Sara Snacks, Entenmann's Little Bites Bakery, but most of all a full-time mom. Everyone knows when the kids go back to school, all schedules change. That's why today I'm going to show you some back-to-school tips, DIY homework helpers that will help get kids into a routine. Let's get started. Mornings can be hectic. Here's our first tip. My husband and I found that if you prepare lunch ahead, the kids fill out a 5-day planner that lets them pick and choose what they want to eat, and that's well balanced. It makes life so much easier. Now I'm going to show you how to make a Sara snack kebab using the Sara Brownie chocolate chip cake. It's a DIY after-school treat your kids will love. I've already sliced the banana. I'm going to cut the end off of the strawberry. One cake makes 2 kebabs. You're going to cut the brownie chocolate chip cake into 4 equal pieces. And with the skewer, you're going to start making the kebab. Halfway through the stick, you're going to put your first piece. And we're going to put, let's do the banana. And the strawberry. Your kids are going to have so much fun. What I also have are some dipping sauces. I have yogurt and hot fudge that I've heated in the microwave, but you could use your favorite. And there you have it, Sara Brownie chocolate chip snack kebabs. Another way to make the morning go so much easier is I've already prepped lunch. I've made their sandwiches. Based on their 5-day planner, I've chosen their snack. All the kids have to do is come downstairs, put their lunch in their backpack, and they're good to go. Another easy DIY homework helper is the Entenmann's Little Bite Party Cake Caterpillars. Let's get started. For this, you need Entenmann's Little Bite Party Cake muffins. Here are the muffins, some pretzels, some candy eyes that you can find in your local craft store, and the spray icings. And here we have blue, pink, yellow, and white. Let's get going. Okay, so now you're going to start with each muffin, and you're going to have to work off of the plate, because this way it's just easier as you're putting them together. Normally, I would say, kids, please don't play with your food, but this is the perfect time if they can. You're going to have so much fun with this. So now, caterpillars are such a cute treat. You're going to love eating it as well. Last step is using a little icing just to hold in the eyes. You don't have to be a professional decorator to make this look cute. Look at that. My eyes are a little crooked, but I think that's fine. It makes it look good. Lastly, I'm going to put the pretzels as the antennas. And there you have it, the Entenmann's Little Bite Party Cake Caterpillars. For these great DIY recipes, check out our Facebook page.